Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and today I'm answering the question, what is sheeting? Well, most of your ceramic coatings and some of your paint sealants are designed to sheet water off the surface. So again, unprotected finishes will allow water to pool on the surface. Imagine that this tabletop is the hood of a car. If we poured water on it, we would just have a big rectangle of water. Now, if we had a coating and or paint sealant that is designed to sheet water, that water would then repel itself from the surface in one uniform motion, thereby making it much easier to dry that surface because you have less water on. So again, grab a hose, spray that surface, the water just falls off the car, and you have only a couple little bits of water here and there to allow for the drying process to basically self-dry your car in a weird way, but that's what it is. So you look for protection products with sheeting because it does remove the most amount of water from the surface. And it's very different than beading, where beading leaves small little beads of water on the surface. Both are great, both work wonderfully, but both react very differently. So there's your answer as to what is sheeting. Well, hopefully you found this FAQ helpful, and make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for more videos, stay tuned right here at the Rag Company FAQ channel. Thanks for watching.